In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase with your bank account. Now, there are multiple ways to do this, but I would say the best thing to do would be to go to the top left to the hamburger icon. Then, under your name, click on Account and Settings. In here, I won't be able to record, but you want to click on Add a Payment Method, which is right on top. And now you'll see a couple of options and you're going to choose a bank account. And over here, you want to click on Continue. Then it should connect you to a payment operator. And you're just going to click on Continue. It's then going to ask you for your phone number. You could say maybe later, or you could put it in. I would advise you put it in now. Next up, it's going to ask you what banking institution you use. And from there, you need to check these boxes and then hit Continue. And then, of course, this section will differ for different banks, but it's just going to ask you to sign in. So now when you go to buy Bitcoin, you will actually have the option to buy it with your bank account. So this will function like it always does. So back on the home screen, you'll just click on buy and sell, buy crypto with cash, choose Bitcoin, and then you'll be brought to this screen. Just put in the amount of Bitcoin you want. And here where it says pay with, make sure that it is on your bank account, or click on it to put it on bank account. And then you're just going to click on review order. And if you're happy with everything, just say place order and you are good to go. And that's all I've got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.